Hi, my name is Gavin McGrath. I work in the Development and Innovation Unit in BIM. This short tutorial is on the subject of uploading your quotes and expenditure items. This is part of BIM's series of mini tutorials to guide applicants through the Processing Capital Support Scheme, which BIM is administrating on behalf of the Department of Agriculture, Food and the Marine, and is funded by the Brexit Adjustment Reserve. Uploading your quotes and expenditure items. Your quotes are part of Section 5 of your application, Value for Money. In total, Section 5 is worth 20 marks from the total available of 100 marks for your application. You can submit your quotes in Section 5.1. Applicants are advised to carefully review the list of ineligible expenditure as set out in Section 2.5 of the Guidelines for Applicants to ensure that their application is in respect of eligible expenditure only. In the vast majority of cases, each item of expenditure will require 3 quotes. You can find more information on the number of quotes required by clicking here. For supplies and services under €5,000, 1 quote will be required. For supplies and services above €5,000, 3 quotes will be required. For all building works, 3 quotes will be required. Just to note, amounts in this table are exclusive of VAT. You can add a quote by selecting the Choose Your File option here. Quotes should be in writing or by email. The quotes must be formal quotations on supplier's headed paper uploaded in PDF format. Contain only the item applied for in the grant application. 1 quote, 1 item. Clearly state the item, specification, and price of the item. Each quote must be comparable, i.e., all quotations must be for the same item and specification. Clearly indicate the VAT portion of the cost, be dated and have the name of the applicant on it, and use a simple naming format for your files, which will be referenced in the summary table. For example, quote 1 and the supplier name. Section 5.2, Summary of Planned Work. Adding expenditure items. To add expenditure items, click on the Add Expenditure Item option. Select your expenditure category here and select your expenditure subcategory here. Enter the item name as per the quote and quantity purchased here. For example, forklift by 2. Add the quote name and value here. If more than 1 quote was given, please list all quotes in the text box provided, starting with the preferred quote at the top of the list. Enter the total item cost, excluding VAT, here. The grant sought box will automatically calculate. For the purpose of the expenditure details box, include only the total item cost of the preferred supplier. Note, you will need to repeat this process for each expenditure item for which grant aid is sought. You can do this by clicking Add Another Row. Click Save to complete the line entry.